Hello and welcome back, my fellow DIYers. Today I'm going to show you how I turned this bucket of fresh baked blueberries into a really amazing jam. For this recipe, I'm using the Fresh Tech Automatic Jam and Jelly Maker. So I'm using a recipe right out of the book. And this recipe calls for 3 1/4 cup of fresh blueberries. Now you can use frozen too, but obviously I had just picked some blueberries, so I was going to use those. Now continue to mash your blueberries until they look like this and all of your blueberries look like this. Next, you're going to take the lid off and then you're going to add your pectin. And this recipe calls for 3 tablespoons of pectin, and you're just going to place it at the bottom of the vessel. Now, just add your berries, your crushed berries, on top of the pectin. Now you're going to add your butter. I use vegan butter in my recipe, and the recipe calls for about 1/2 tablespoon. Then you press your jam button. The machine will automatically cook for 21 minutes. After that, you will hear a beep about 4 minutes into it, okay? You're gonna add your sugar, just sprinkle it on top, and then place your lid back on. After the 21 minutes, the machine will beep again. You're going to press the cancel button, and that lets you know your jam is ready. Look at that delicious, bubbly blueberry jelly. So I was canning my jam because I wanted to save it for the fall, and you're just going to see the process that I used to do that. I grabbed my jars, my hot jars, I used my funnel, I put the hot jam in the jars, and then I closed them up and then I put them in for a canning bath. Well, all right, fellow DIYers, this is how I made easy blueberry jam with the Ball Fresh Tech Automatic Jam and Jelly Maker. So let me know if you guys try this recipe out, and believe me, I have a few more where these came from. See you soon.